Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product links in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. HomeLabs Portable. This washing machine is fully automatic, lightweight and highly portable thanks to its two built-in roller wheels. It features a top-load design for effortless laundry loading into the 0.9 ft3 stainless steel tub. In a single wash, its stainless steel tub can hold a maximum of 6 pounds of laundry load, which is quite impressive, given that it only weighs 44.1 pounds. You get 5 washing programs with 3 water level controls if you choose the washer. It can clean up all types of laundry, even soft and delicate wool. Its motor spins fast but quietly and uses only 120 V of electricity, making it a very energy-efficient washer. No need to pay more than necessary in energy bills. Using the machine is quite simple. It comes with a blue LED backlit screen to assist you to operate it. Simply select the appropriate washing program, water level and sit back and relax. You can as well set a time for the washing process. When the time is up, washing automatically stops. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends. Until next time, hope you all have a great day.